Hi guys, this was laying on the table in the background because I had to repair it, and it's become a rubber band powered car. I thought it was rather apt to use the vinyl records for the wheels. I didn't want to damage it in any way. I've used hot glue, which we can get off again quite easily. I've got a propeller off a rubber band powered aeroplane. The wheels are just the normal ones with the bamboo skewers for the axles. I think was it the first or second one of my videos I did the vinyl records for the wheels, so you'll have to look back if you want to see how to do them. Very simple: plastic bottle cap, duct tape and vinyl record. And then I've just got rubber bands wrapped around the back there. They're actually hooked onto the whatever these things are called. You see just a bit of hot glue to hold the drinking straws in place. So we'll wind it up and send it up and down the kitchen. There we go, another non-serious rubber band powered car made from a cheap plastic ukulele, and instead of driving the axles directly with the rubber bands, we're using a propeller, so it's wind powered. Well, not wind powered, but we're using the wind, the air, rather than friction with the ground.